Hey guys, Aaron here. There are a whole lot of crappy websites out there. So, what I'm going to be doing to help you guys is I'm going to show you how to create a simple website from scratch using HTML, and later on I'll talk about CSS. And I'll be doing all of this with a simple text editor. Alright guys, so first you're going to need a web page editor. Now you don't need something like, let's say, Adobe Dreamweaver. That costs a whole lot of money, and some of you guys just want to do this on your spare time as a hobby. Now there's multiple things. If you're using a Mac, you can use TextEdit. If you're using a Windows computer, I recommend you use Notepad++. You just search it up in Google. It should be the first link in the search bar. And it should take you to this website. Just go ahead and go to the download section and download the Notepad++ installer. After you've installed the program, you can go ahead and follow along if you'd like. Web pages are written in a markup language called HTML. In other words, behind every web page is a backbone structure called Hypertext markup language. This language, called HTML for short, is a language that computers understand that most humans don't. Because of this, web browsers were created to translate HTML to let you know what was being communicated. In order for your browser to know what it's reading, we have to label our code with what is called tags. Each web page starts and ends with an opening and closing HTML tag. Within this structure is the head of the web page. This contains all the unseen stuff. There's the brain of the web page, which is basically what is the back, and the body, which displays the contents of the web page. We need to tag sections as well within the header. Here we can store information about the web page, such as the page title. We need to tag this with the title tag. Within the body sections is where all the visual components of the web page are put. So let's start by adding a page title and a description and a list of some pages that we may want to link to. To preview changes, save the document as index.html. Select the file types as all files, and then open it up in a web browser. It's very boring right now, so let's add some creativity by adding some format. First, let's tag the text into groups using the P tag for paragraph. The general formatting tags are P for bold, U for underline, and I for italics. To list, use item tags, which are capital OL for organized list, which are numbered, and UL for an unorganized bulleted list. What's cool with HTML tags is that you can give them attributes which enhance their properties. For a tag that you want to add an attribute to, on the inside of it, add the name of the attribute, an equal sign, and the value of the attribute. By using an image tag and a source attribute, you can add an image to your web page. Make the image source equal to the image location. In this case, my image is located in the same directory as my web page index, so I can just put the name of the image here. If your image is on the web page, just replace this with the image's URL location. To create a link, insert an anchor tag, which is an A. Then put a reference equal to the location that you want the link to be. Now that we have our content, let's work on our layout. To add style using purely HTML, you will need to use the table tags. Table tags start and end with table. You can set the width and color of your tables. If you want to center anything in the middle of your web page, you can use center tags. Now inside the table tags, if you want to put rows for however many rows you want, and you can put data tags for each column that you want to put. After you have everything organized, just move all of your data table or cells, informations, all that stuff, into the place you want to put them. Alright guys, that pretty much sums it up for HTML. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like. If you didn't, please leave a comment explaining why you didn't, which will, help me make better videos. Alright guys, thank you for watching.